Every day is a new day. It is a better to be lucky, but I would rather to exact than when luck comes, you are ready. Fear of death increase in exact proportion to increase in wealth. Every man's life ends the same way. It is only the detail of how he lived and how he dies that distinguish one man from another. The best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. The world breaks everyone, and afterward some are strong at the broken places. Only those who are prepared to go too far can possibly know how far they can go. There is nothing to writing. All you do is sit down at a typewriter and bleed. Now is no time to think of what you do not have. Think of what you can do with what here is. The most painful thing is losing yourself in the process of loving someone too much and forgetting that you are special too. Every time I put my arms around you, I felt that I was home. I may not be as stronger as I think, but I know many tricks and I have the solution. All you have to do is write one true sentence. Write the truest sentence that you know. I like to listen. I have learned a great deal from listening carefully. Most people never listen. To be a successful father, there's one absolute rule. When you have a kid, you don't look at it for the first 2 years. When people talk, listen completely. Most people never listen. Happiness in intelligent people is the rarest thing I know. It is a good to have an end to journey toward, but it is the journey that matters in the end. An intelligent man is something forced to drunk to spend time with his fools. When you love, wish to do thing for, you wish to sacrifice for, you wish to serve. You never understand anybody that loves you.